What's up, everybody? Really quick video on TPMS Relearn mode for these 5th generation Camaros. It might be the same for newer generations also and older ones. I'm not 100% sure. But I have one of these really fancy tools that you can use to put it in relearn mode, but you don't have to have one of these to do it. If you want to relearn your TPMS sensors, the positions of them, all you really need is this. And you can get this off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure I got this on Amazon, but you can get them on Amazon and they're not very expensive at all. And all you do is just push that button. That's all there is to this tool. So for the Camaros, turn the key on. So I just need to cycle through the menu. And we get to tire pressure, and then you hold the set clear button until the horn chirps twice. Are you sure you want to relearn? Yes. Alright, horn chirp twice. Now it's in relearn mode. You always start with the left front tire. Take your tool and you put it right to the valve stem. Push the button. When the horn chirps, that one's learned. So you go left front, right front, right rear, and then we come over here to the left rear for the last one. As soon as this learns, it should chirp twice. Where's it at? There it is. They did not give me my SS cap back. Chirp twice. Should be out of relearn mode now. All of the tire pressures are reading. If I give it a key cycle, I shouldn't get the error message about servicing and traction control. I need to put some resistors in for my turn signals because those are always reading out, but that's all there is to it. I ran back down to the shop that I had replace this sensor for me. That way I could get my power adder back. Trying to hurt my top end numbers. Alright, we're fast again. If you're in the Jacksonville, North Carolina area, the shop is Evans Tire and Auto, which is the only shop that I'll take my car to in this area. If it's something that I'm not equipped to do. Like, I can replace that sensor by myself, but I don't have a tire machine to make it easy. So I'll just take it down there and have them do it. Check them out if you're in this area. It's a good shop.